Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. Thank you so much for joining today. I'm going to show you this journal that I made using Graphics Fairy printables from their premium membership site. And I themed it, I gave it a naturalist theme. And I got very inspired by passing by the Natural History Museum here in London the other day. And I just wanted to make another one of those journals where it would be like a logbook, a journal filled with information and references that a naturalist would have. So I focused this one on ornithology and on eggs and nests. So let me show it to you. So I used for the cover this gorgeous marble paper that looks weathered and very vintage, and I also added this for the spine, fabric that I had painted with a color that matches very well the actual color. So I'm very happy with this cover. I think it is amazing how it has come out. So let's have a look inside. So I use these delicate end papers from the membership site, and the color matches, of course, the cover. The color of the cover, this leafy green. And I think it looks lovely here. And as you can see, it's got this torn, weathered look about it, as a cover would have, an old cover would have. So I have used various printables from different bundles. This is birds and feathers and plumes. I love this one. And I made this assemblage here with different bits and pieces from the ephemera and the printables, and I added a leaf here, very naturalist looking. This is a cover from a book, again from the Graphics Fairy, the Ornithologist, and that comes from the Ornithologist bundle. And this is an Ornithologist cover and an envelope and nests here and birds. And there's a little envelope that comes from one of their printables as well. I'll just show you there. And I added this special handling that also comes from the printables. And that will go here. This has been made already, this assemblage, and I didn't need to do anything on this one. I just thought everything looks just perfect for this. And a cover from a dictionary. All these different bits and pieces I have added from the bundles, from different bundles. There's a bird here. A geographical table. I love this one. I can't stop using this one. I just love it. You can read it all through the details. If you've got good eyesight, you can read it all. It's just gorgeous. There's another. This is a bit from the detective bundle, and I couldn't help it but use it because it's a London building here. It's from the London Detective. Different images. There's a little pocket here, and another specimen pocket. And again, I couldn't help but use this. And there's just a piece of blank paper that looks, I mean, this is a printable as well. It just looks like the real thing. These note papers here in a pocket. Another pocket here. There's a piece of a receipt that fits in here. Our naturalist has collected all sorts of things to add into his or her journal for references. Land birds and more eggs here, and I love this again. This image. There's another receipt here from a London shop in this pocket that I've made. Nests, more eggs, and here is a table that the ornithologist would have been using. And there's a image here, a card, a journaling card. Another envelope here that I have made from a bundle, and I attached a little bird on it. If I'm not mistaken, it's a swallow, but I might be wrong. Eggs, and also these came from the feathers bundle. Here I mixed a couple of things together and created this image, this page. There's more here for our ornithologist to look at, and there's a ticket from the races that you might have visited. Again, another page. I really love different instruments. I thought this would also fit nicely in this journal. Some paper again, natural paper that looks just like the real thing, ledger. There's another assemblage that I made here from different images that I chose, and I thought that it could just go anywhere really. A pocket, another pocket, and a clock face. Again, one of my favorite printables. I tend to use 2 or 3 of my favorite ones in most of my journals that I make from the graphics fairy. I just love certain ones are just ones I keep repeating. There's a nest, and there's another pocket here with lists of land birds and nest. There, more eggs. This is an assemblage that has already been made, and I just downloaded and I printed it, and I used it here as a decoration on the page. More feather, another feather here. There's a receipt of it. And there's a nest. There's another piece of paper, ledger paper, and there is a photograph here, and I thought it could be his own photograph or a sun, but it looks lovely. It's a lovely photograph. There's a real feather here, and some more eggs, and I also added another feather here, a feather bundle. And I've added all around all these specimen tags that look quite interesting, mixed with other images. There's another feather. This is another page that has been made in one of the bundles that has all the it's a collage, and I just thought that would look great here as well. And there's a belt, like a belt here, and more eggs, and another receipt, and another receipt here, and the end. And instead of, I sort of thought this would look great as an ex libris, but I used it here instead of this because I wanted to keep this amazing paper intact with all this goodness. It looks just like the real thing. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and this journal will be up on my Etsy store on Saturday the 2nd of October. So thank you so much for watching, and we will be talking again soon. Take care. Bye bye.